Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to our maths class. In previous classes we have learned what is tens column and what is ones column, right? We have learned what is tens column and what is ones column. Suppose you have number 23. So this number 3 is in ones column and this number 2 is in tens column. We have learned that. So suppose we have given number 48. What is in ones column here? 8 is in ones column and 4 is in tens column. Right? We have learned the place value of ones column and tens column. So up to 99. This 9 is in ones column. This 9 is in tens column. After 99, what number do you get? You get the number 100. You know the place value of this 0 is ones. We know this place value of 0 is tens. Then what is this place value of 1 here? Do you know what is the place value of this one? We say this number as 100. Right? We read this number as 100. What is the place value of this one here? Let's see. Okay? This is in hundreds place. We call it as hundreds column. Let's see how do we get this hundreds column. Okay? I have few lollipops drawn on this board here. I have few lollipops here. We'll count them and make them in groups and write them in ones column and tens column. Right? So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You stop here at the 10th place and then you circle this as one bundle. Right? You remember we circle them as bundle and we write here 1 tens. 1 tens. So these are all single ones. So 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. Right? The next one. Start counting the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here also we have got another 10. We make this one also as one bundle. Okay? This is first tens completed. Then this is the second row. We write as 2 tens. These two, when we add, we get 2 tens. Right? Or you take it as single tens only. We'll count them and write as 1 tens only. 1 tens, 1 tens, 1 tens. Okay? Then next, how many we have in this row? We'll count them and make a bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also same 10 in number. This is also 1 tens. Right? The next count the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also one bundle. This also make 1 tens. Right? Next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This make another bundle. Then next comes this 1 tens again. The next count this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make this as a bundle. Alright, 1 tens. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mark this as one bundle and write 1 tens. Then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then next we'll count all these tens. How many ones we have got here? 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, got? Bundle of 10 tens we have got. Right? You understood now? We have got the bundle of 10 tens. That is 1 10 bundle, second 10th bundle, third 10 bundle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens. Now let's see how much will this 10 tens becomes the number. What number do we get? Start counting from 1 again. We'll count all these lollipops all together. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 what do you get? Start counting from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, 80, then 90, then 100. What number did you get here? 100, which means 10 tens is equals to 100. What does this mean? 10 tens is equals to 100. Clear? This is 1 tens, this is 2 tens, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. When we count all these 10 tens, we get the number as 100. Right? Now you understood how do you get 100 here? 10 tens is equals to 100. Now how do you mark the place values? We know what to mark as. This is ones column. This is tens column. Now what this one will be here as? How do we denote it as? In hundreds column as H. Hundredth column is H. It is written as 1, O-N-E-1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Okay? Suppose you are given a number 232. Now represent it in ones, tens and hundreds column. How do you represent? You start representing it from the right hand side. This is the ones column. This is the tens column. After tens column, what do you get? Hundreds column. What is this column or the place value is of 2 is 100. What is this place value of 2 is 100. Place value of 1 is 100. Now tell me the place value. What is the hundredth place value number here? What is the hundredth place value number in 5, 3, 2? This is ones column. This is tens column. This is hundreds column. What is the number in the hundreds place value here? Hundreds column. That is 5. What is the number here? 5. Now we understood, children. How do you get the hundreds place value? 10 tens is equals to 100. How many tens is equals to 100? 10 tens is equals to 100. 10 ones is equals to how much? 10 ones. First box. This is 10 ones. How many lollipops you have here? 10. So 10 ones is equals to 1 tens. Understood, children? Now understood the place value of the hundreds column here. 10 tens is equals to 100. Clear?